Okay, YouTube, this is the test on the 1518T 300 watt speaker cabinet, 8 ohms, being powered by the Trace Elliot 12T combo, which is, this was an earlier model, 500 watts into 4 ohms total. I got the volume on 1 right now. Going to be playing with the pre-shape engaged and a little bit of low band and high band compression. Other than that, that's it. No effects. Playing through a Hohner B bass, customized by me, wood burned. Active electronics were removed, and I put in Seymour Duncan quarter-pound J bass pickups with CTS pot vintage through StewMac, and that's it. Here we go. Tone, both volumes all the way up. Amp is on 1. That's a Steinberger bridge, by the way. Little drop D right on the flick of a switch. Awesome. Let's go up to 2. Oh boy.